How to fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram. This tutorial walks you through getting your feed back up and running on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. After that, close Instagram by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it to see if that helps. From there, if the error is still showing, long press the Instagram icon from your home screen and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Storage and then go ahead and tap Clear Cache. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Following this, open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available update. Once done, if nothing has worked so far, long press the Instagram icon and tap Uninstall, then confirm to remove it. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart, and once your device is back on, reinstall Instagram from the Play Store and sign back in. Hope this guide helped you fix the couldn't refresh feed error on Instagram. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.